Hi friends, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to speak about a special subject is called efforts. Everybody knows efforts. Efforts never fail in our life. If we keep on putting efforts, definitely we can get a good result. If we fail to put efforts, definitely won't get any results. So efforts never fail in our life. Efforts only we can take it to the top level. So if we stop doing efforts in our life, we never grow in our life. So that is the reason in our life efforts is very essential. I can give some examples in our life. I failed in first year degree English language. I failed in the English language, but I have not depressed in that time. I took it as a challenge and I put efforts to pass the examination first year degree. So again I have got it passed. So that is the reason we should not stop our efforts. Efforts never fail in our life. I will give one more example in my life happened. It is live example. I have a craze to do agriculture also. So when I was doing agriculture, I have made a trial system of rice intensification, SRI method. In paddy, we can do a SRI method called system of rice intensification. So I have got paddy from VC Farm Mandia. So as per their instructions, on that particular year, I have cropped paddy in system of rice intensification. So that year I failed in that particular crop, but I never stopped my efforts to continue it. Again, second year I've got very good yield, like 43 to 44 quintal per acre. I've got yield through that method, SRI method. So in the first year I failed, and a second year I passed. I never leave efforts. Continually efforts will get a very good result in our life. I can tell one more example. After completion of my MSW, I've gone for a interview at Gokuldas Exports Limited. So in that time, even security has not allowed me to attend the interview inside the factory. He refused to me go inside, and he directly told me HR is busy, so you cannot go attend the interview. He told me directly, and he sent it out from the premises. Then I keep on putting efforts on the same particular factory. After 6 years, I have joined as a assistant manager HR. Security has saluted me and get into the inside. So why I am giving these examples means If we keep on practicing and if we keep on putting efforts, definitely you will get a result. Sometimes you may get failed in the first attempt or second attempt, but in third attempt or fourth attempt, definitely will get succeed. So if we should not stop our efforts. This is a continuous process. So for anything, it's required effort. Without effort, we cannot do anything in our life. So according to me, efforts is very much essential in our life. Without our efforts, nothing can be done in our life. So there are many examples I can say. Efforts has made me a miracles in my life. So we should keep on putting efforts for anything. Definitely will get a result. So my advice is to please don't take it in negative aspect of anything. We have to take it in a positive way. We should keep on practice it and we should keep on putting efforts. Definitely will get a good result and we can become what we would like to be. So that is the reason efforts is very much essential in our life. If keep on putting efforts, we'll get a very good life and we can lead a very peaceful life in our life. Thank you.